How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Ali. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please. Please. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Open the door. Open the door. Close the door. Close the door. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Be quiet. Be quiet. Don't be late. Don't be late. I am tired. I am tired. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. It is hot. It is hot. It is cold. It is cold. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I love you. I love you. I hate it. I hate it. What time is it? What time is it? I am busy. I am busy. I am free. I am free. Follow me. Follow me. Stop it. Stop it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Give me this. Give me this. Take it. Take it. Let me see. Let me see. I want it. I want it. I need it. I need it. I have it. I have it. I don't have it. I don't have it. What is this? What is this? Who is he? Who is he? Who is she? Who is she? Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Afghanistan. I am from Afghanistan. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am at home. I am at home. I am at school. I am at school. Where is the market? Where is the market? I am going to school. I am going to school. I am going to work. I am going to work. It is raining. It is raining. It is sunny. It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is cloudy. I am sick. I am sick. Call me. Call me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Don't worry. Don't worry. I am late. I am late. I am early. I am early. I am lost. I am lost. I am tired. I am tired. Be careful. Be careful. Be safe. Be safe. Let's eat. Let's eat. I am full. I am full. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Call the police. Call the police. I am learning English. I am learning English. I like English. I like English. I don't like English. I don't like English. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Can I help you? Can I help you? I am hungry. I am hungry. I am tired. I am tired. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am angry. I am angry. I am scared. I am scared. Let's play. Let's play.